great appliance that will help you save a lot of money when the weather gets warmer, because then you don't have to turn on your AC. You can use this one, especially when you are in a home office. You can just use this one and it will provide an environment with kind of like having the AC on without actually turning on the AC. So you don't have to pay like that like electric bill of having the AC on, especially when you have like a big house. So this is also remote control. Let's turn it on. So that is one. There are like 3 speed settings. So that is 1, and then 2, and then this is 3. I put like water and ice at the bottom and then water and ice on top. It's very easy too. You just like remove this top and then you put water and ice there, and then same thing with like the top one, and then you close it, and then on top there's just this like a cover. You put water and ice, and then that's it, and you turn it on. And then if it's really hot, then there is also an option. I'll put it this way so you can see the mist. There's an option. You can either like use the button here or you can use the remote. I'll use the button here. So you see like there's a mist coming out. So it's kind of really like providing an environment with like an AC on. So you see the mist coming out. I'll show you up close. So at night you can turn on the light like that. See? So if you are using it at night, you can use it as a night light too. And see? Super cool. Changes colors too. And then it has a timer too. Oh my gosh, it's green. Look at that. So you can use it as a night light. And another thing, one more thing, it has a timer. So if you're using this at night, you can set it to like 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours. And then it's so portable too. You just plug it into an electric outlet and you can bring it anywhere. So if you are working in your home office, you can put this in front of you or on your side. And then if you're in the kitchen, you're cooking, you can use this one too. When you're eating, even when you go out to like your balcony or your patio when it's like really warm, then you can also use this. It's so portable. Let's use the mister. This mister is super cool. If you want to save money, go check this out. This is super cool and super affordable. The link is down below if you are interested. This was given to me by the brand. You will need this when the weather gets warmer.